Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the top 15 web hosting questions every beginner should know. I'll keep it simple, practical, and free from confusing jargon. Just clear answers you can put into action right away. Let's jump in. 1. What is web hosting and why do I need it? Think of web hosting as renting space on the internet for your website. Your website's files live on a computer called a server. Web hosting companies keep that computer running 24/7 so people anywhere can visit your site. Without hosting, your site is just files on your own computer, invisible. So if you want people to find and use your site, you need hosting. Quick tip, pick a host that promises good uptime and easy support. That's the basic safety net. 2. What types of hosting are there? Short version, there are several flavors: shared, VPS, dedicated, cloud, and managed. Shared is like living in an apartment building. Cheap, other sites share resources. VPS is like a condo, more private, more power. Dedicated is your own house, all resources for you. Cloud spreads your site across many machines, very flexible. Managed hosting means the provider handles the tech for you. Choose shared to start, upgrade to VPS, or cloud as you grow. 3. Shared versus VPS. What's the real difference? Shared hosting is budget-friendly, many sites on one server. It's fine for blogs or small businesses. VPS gives you a reserved slice of server resources, better speed and reliability, and more control. If your site gets slower on shared hosting or you use heavy plugins, it's time to move to VPS. Think, shared and ER's good for starters, VPS, ER's when you start getting steady traffic. 4. How do I choose the right hosting provider? Look for 4 things: uptime, at least 99.9%, helpful support, 24/7 chatter phone, clear pricing, watch renewal costs, and scalability, easy upgrades. Also check backups, SSL, and reviews. Ask yourself, am I technical? If not, pick a managed or beginner-friendly host. If you are technical, choose a host with SSH or VPS options. Practical tip, read recent user reviews and test support before committing. Send them a question and see how fast they reply. 5. What is bandwidth and why does it matter? Bandwidth is the amount of data your site can send to visitors, usually measured monthly. If lots of people visit or you host big files, videos, images, you need more bandwidth. If you exceed it, your site can slow or be blocked. Many hosts now offer unlimited bandwidth, but that often has fair use rules. When starting, match expected visits to the plan and choose scalable plans for growth. 6. What is a domain name and do I need one? A domain is your website address, like your brand.com. You need a domain to look professional and be easy to find. Many hosts let you register a domain when you sign up. Tip: pick a short, memorable name, use .com if possible, and check social handles to keep branding consistent. Also keep domain registration in your own account so you control renewal and transfer later. 7. What is SSL and why should I care? SSL encrypts the data between your visitor's browser and your site. You'll see the padlock in the address bar. It protects login info and payments, and search engines prefer sites with SSL. Most hosts include free SSL, Let's Encrypt. Install it and force HTTPS on your site. It's a small step that builds trust and SEO benefits. 8. Can I upgrade my hosting later? Yes, most hosts let you upgrade smoothly, shared, VPS, dedicated, or cloud. Upgrading gives you more speed, resources, and control. Tip: choose a host with easy, one-click upgrades and a migration team so you don't deal with downtime or complicated moves. 9. Website builder versus hosting. What's the difference? Website builders, Wix, Squarespace, are tools that help you design a site easily. Hosting is where your site lives. Some hosts include builders, or you can use WordPress on traditional hosting. If you want full control and long-term growth, WordPress plus hosting is best. If you want super fast setup and minimal maintenance, a builder might suit you. Decide if you want simplicity, builder, or flexibility, host plus CMS. 10. How do I migrate to a new host? Migration means moving files, databases, and emails. Many hosts offer free migration or tools to simplify it. Steps: back up your site, request migration with the new host, test on a staging URL, then point your domain to the new host. Tip: keep the old host for a few days after switching until you're sure everything works. 11. What is email hosting and do I need it? Email hosting gives you custom email addresses or your domain, like helloyourbrand.com. It's more professional than Gmail. Some hosts include email, others require separate services. Google Workspace, Microsoft 365. For businesses, custom email is worth it. Boosts credibility and trust. If you want simplicity, many hosts bundle basic email in their plans. 12. What is a CMS and do I need one? CMS stands for Content Management System. WordPress is the most popular. It helps you create pages, blog posts, and manage content without coding. Most hosts offer one-click WordPress installs. If you plan to publish frequently or sell things, use a CMS. For tiny brochure sites, a simple builder might be okay. WordPress gives the most flexibility to scale. 13. Do I need to install anything to start? Not usually. Most hosts have a control panel and one-click installers for WordPress, WooCommerce, and other apps. You may need to configure DNS when connecting a domain and possibly install SSL. Hosted builders require no installs. If your host offers managed WordPress, they'll handle updates and backups for you. 14. What is an IP address and does it matter? An IP address is like the server's phone number on the internet. Most small sites can share an IP, shared hosting, and that's fine. Dedicated IPs are useful for certain older SSL setups or specific server access. For most users, it doesn't matter. Security and speed matter more. Only opt for a dedicated IP if your host or service specifically requires it. 15. What should I do if my website goes down? First, don't panic. Check the host status page and support channels. Contact support immediately with details and ask for estimated recovery time. Use your backups to restore if needed. Long-term, choose a host with monitoring, automatic backups, and fast support. Also, set up uptime alerts so you're alerted as soon as problems start. That's the top 15 web hosting FAQs in one quick guide, perfect for beginners who want to launch a reliable site. If you want deeper help, I've linked beginner guides and hosting recommendations in the description. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more simple web tutorials, and drop a question below. I'll answer it in the comments. See you next time.